Here's a quick overview of Smart Insights from TensorIoT, powered by AWS. As soon as I log in, I'm taken to a home screen, which gives me a dashboard showing all of the sites that I'm tracking in Smart Insights, the number of asset models that are being used by AWS IoT Sitewise, and the number of assets that I have across all of those sites and models. I can see these placed on the map. I can click in and see what type of plant this is or site, and when I click in on a particular site, I see an overview of that presented visually. That could be a 3D image, it could be a CAD diagram, it could be even an actual photograph of the plant itself. I see a pin that shows me all of the different pieces of equipment that are available, and when I click on one, I'm taken to that asset page so I can see a 2D or 3D model of the asset. I can see what it is and what model is being used to collect information. I can see all of the properties that are being ingested and the most recent value for that as well. And if I have a lot of properties, I can quickly search through them to find what I'm looking for. That can also be presented as a trend line or a chart over time, and I can look at multiple pieces of information simultaneously. I can also integrate with other services such as AWS's Lookout for Equipment so that I can do anomaly detection and ingest that information as well and see that represented in a time scale across the page. I can also look at a number of visualizations from other tools so that I can give people the information they need at the level of detail that makes sense for them, whether it's a gauge for a production worker, current information about a program that's running on a particular machine, the state of a piece of equipment, the amount of production against a threshold value that's been determined over time, and I can drag across that timeline, or I can select from a drop-down to get a specific view of the information that I need. I can do all this across multiple sites. I can set alerts. I can also manage all of the gateways where information is being ingested, and I can see operational detail for all of the ways that information is being ingested into the system as well. So that's a quick overview of Smart Insights from TensorIoT, powered by AWS.